Good morning, dear students. In the last classes, we discussed about origin of bank, meaning of bank, definition of bank, and features of bank. So, in today's classes, we discussed about characteristics of bank. So, what are the main characteristics of bank? So, the first characteristic is acceptance of deposits. So firstly, characteristics means gunalakshanaಗಳು. In that first one, acceptance of deposits. So what is the acceptance of deposit? How it become the characteristics of bank? So it means the bank will accept the deposits from the customers. So the main role of bank is acceptance of deposits from customers. Without accepting the deposits, the bank will cannot sustain in the market. So the financial institution, otherwise the bank, means that will accept the deposits from the customers. So that's why the acceptance of deposits is the main characteristics of bank. Then next, allowing withdrawal through checks and drafting. So it means, after collecting the money from the publics, so the bank should repay that amount. It means when the customers need their money, they should withdraw that money in the easiest way. So that's why the bank will provide a good facility or a easiest way to withdraw their money through using of checks or draft. So that's why the allowing of withdrawal through checks and drafting is also a main characteristics of bank. Then next, utilization of deposits for the purpose of lending. It means the bank will collect the deposits from the publics. Then they convert the deposits into a loan. Then the bank provide the loans to the needed people. So we all know about the deposits. Example, fixed deposits, current deposits, or recurring deposits. These all are the types of deposits. The bank will collect these types of deposit from the public. So this is the main investment of bank. They convert that deposits into investment and then give that deposits amount as a loan to the needed people. So this is also a main characteristics of deposit. It means lending of loans. It is also a main characteristics of ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕು ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಂದ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಣದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಲೋನ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. Then next characteristics is transferring money from one place to another. So this is also a main characteristics or a main activity of a bank. So it means the bank will transfer the money from one place to another place through e-transferring. So e-transferring means electronic transferring. So what are the main e-transferring facilities provided by the bank? So example, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, these are all the main facilities. It means e-transferring facilities provided by the bank to its customers. So what do you mean by NEFT? NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer. So we can transfer our fund from one state to another state. Then next, RTGS, so real time gross settlement. So we can settle our amount in a real time. It means within a time we can transfer our money from one place to another place. Then next, IMPS, immediate payment service. So immediately they will transfer the fund from one place to another place, but the bank will provide this all facilities to its customers, but not for free. Of cost, it will make some charges to this e-transferring facilities to its customers. So the next characteristics of bank is keeping valuable in safety custody. So we can kept our valuable things, means gold, bonds. These are all the valuable things is belongs to us. We can kept these valuable things in a bank. We can kept our valuable things without any doubts, because the bank will provide a safety to our valuable things through providing lockers. The locker facilities provided by bank to its customers, but not at free of cost. They will make some charges for the locker facilities. These all are the main characteristics of banks. The next concept is banker. So what do you mean by banker? The banker means the person who take care of others people's money. It means he is the caretaker of customers deposits or money. He is known as ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಹಣದ ಮೇಲೆ ಭದ್ರತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The next definition of banker. So the banker defined as the person who receive or take care of others money. It means the person who receives the deposit from the others or from the customers or from the people, so is known as banker. So not only receiving of money is the main activity of a banker, he should take care of that deposits. It means he should take care of that money, and also he repay the deposit amount by accepting the checks. So this is also the another activity of banker. So it means after receiving of the deposits from the customers, he should repay that deposits amount to its customers by accepting the checks or deposits. So it is known as bankers. So banker can defined as the person who receives or take care of others money and repay the deposit amount by accepting the checks or drafts is known as banker. The next, functions of bankers. So what do you mean by functions? Functions means ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು. So what are the main functions of banker? So the first one, keep records. It is the major functions of banker. So the banker, the person, so we can consider the banker as a person. This person means banker should record the daily financial transaction they conduct on the daily basis. It means the banker should record the daily transactions, and he should verify the loan statement or loan applications. It means the banker should verify the loan statements. So from today, how many applications are came for the loans, and he should maintain the register for the loan applications. It is also a main duty of banker. He should record the daily financial transaction. So how much amount came in and how much amount came out from the bank. These are all the main transaction activities of bank. He should maintain the record for the financial transactions in a bank. It is also a main duty of banker. By doing this activity, they can avoid the fraud activities. So it means by maintaining the daily records and loan statements, so all other records in a daily basis, they can avoid the fraud activities in a bank. And also by maintaining these records or documents facility, the smooth management of bank will go on. It means by conducting all this activity, it means recording the financial transaction or recording of all the documents on daily basis, the bank will run in a smooth way. So there will be no complicated activities are arised by conducting these major activities by banker. The next function is advise clients. Clients means customers. So one of the primary duty of banker is to help his clients by fulfilling their financial needs or fulfilling their queries. Queries means questions or doubts. How he will fulfill their needs or queries? So by answering their queries, it means while asking the doubts from the customers, so he should provide the correct guidelines or correct answer in a face-to-face conversation or in phone conversation. So example, when we gone to bank, we had a doubt how should we deposit our money in a fixed deposits. We can ask the doubts. At that time the doubt will automatically arise in a bank, so we can ask the banker about the queries. He should answer our queries. So this is also the main major function of banker. By fulfilling all the queries or needs of a client, it will improve the profitability of the financial institution. It means bank. So fulfilling all the needs or queries of a customers, the customers will easily attracted by the bank. So attraction of a customer means it is the increase of or improve of profitability of a banks. So it is also a main function of banker. Then next, disperse fund. It means distribution of fund. It is also a main function of banker. The people or a client visited to bank to withdraw and deposit their funds or to apply for the loan from the financial institution. So disperse of fund, it is also a main function of banker. And then next, enforcing security. So what do you mean by enforcing security? It means a banker also provide lock facility for the valuable things, documents, and for the records. So the valuable things means gold, bonds. These are the valuable things. The bank provide the security for our valuable things, documents, or any other records, and at the same times they provide security to our amount. So another main function of a bank is enforcing security by theft and damages or natural disasters. In case we kept our all the documents, money, records, or any other valuable things in our home, so uncertainties can happen like theft, damage by the fire, or natural disaster. So we are the responsible for that damages. If we kept our documents or valuable things वगैरह in the banks, so any uncertainties is happened, so the bank will responsible for our valuable things. So the losses will fulfill by the bank to its customers. So enforcing of security, it is an another one main function of bank. And then next, client assistance. So it is also a main function of bank. So what do you mean by client assistant? How it will become the main function? A key role of banker is to assist its customers by providing the information of new facilities, or what are the facilities provided by the bank to its customers. Example, insurance facility. The bank will provide the insurance facilities to its customer. So this facility is known to the certain peoples, not for the all the clients. So the banker can intimate its customers by telling the insurance facility. And then next, he can provide other all other facilities like student loans. So we don't know about the student loans facilities. As we are educated, we know about that, but illiterate peoples, they don't know about that students. The banker can assist its customers by intimating them about the facilities provided by the bank to its customers. So these are the 5 major functions of bankers. So in this class we learned about characteristics of bank and meaning of banker, definition of banker, and the major functions of bankers. So thank you dear students.